Hey guys, this is a quick update. As you can see, the Bitcoin price is dropping. I gave you a support level here. By the way, this I put up a video this morning. I'll put a link up to this now. Let me play a little clip of this real quick.
Likely support level, and then we have a major support down here at 14,720.
So if you notice right here, 1,500 or 15,147 and 14,727. I was saying this would be major support. You can see we came down. We tested 15,147. We pushed back up, we came down, we tested again, pushed back up, we broke it. We did find support here temporarily, pushed back up, we're coming back down. So I'm gonna give you some support levels. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get this up pretty quick, guys. So your next major support is going to be around 14,467. Guys, if you have access to the charts, just go back and see how many times a certain trend line was tested. This fib channel line here has been tested a lot, so this will be strong support. Your next strong support below will be this yellow trend line here, and then your one below will be this one. Also notice this blue ring. We've been respecting this as a lot of resistance right here. Hit it, kept getting rejected, got rejected, became support. So if we come down, your first support level to watch, again 14,480. Your next support level to watch will be around 14,169, and then you will have very strong support. Not only do you have this fib channel line here that we have been respecting going back, you see this goes back a good ways as support and resistance. On top of that, you have this ring here, so that would be double support. So if we do come down to 13,800, this would be a likely point to catch a bounce. Let me see. This is that chart I was covering previously as well. And what I'm trying to show you guys is every time we come up and test this red ring, and I told you a couple videos back that I sold up here at 15,000 because I expected to get rejected at this ring. We did push above it a bit, but again, every time we hit this ring, we get rejected. See, we got rejected, we came up here, pushed above it, came all the way back down to the 20 week, pushed back up, a lot of volatility every time we hit this red ring. This was when we topped out around 10,000. The next time we came up, tested this ring, we pushed above it, about 5.51%. That was the same we pushed above it the last time. Notice we wick back down just like here. So I think it's very likely what's going to happen is, next week we'll probably push back up, test it again. But I think ultimately we are pretty much topped out. We're going to be coming back down to test this 20 week, wherever it's at. And if we do test that 20 week and it holds, guys, it is very possible we'll come down, we'll test this and push back up and make contact with this ring again, and this could potentially be anywhere from 18,000, 19,000, depending on when we make contact. But if we do not hold this 20 week, then we're coming down to much lower targets. But I did want to point out this ring so far is playing out as expected. We pushed above it, we're coming back down. This is Bitcoin dominance. I covered that earlier in that video. This, you can see we are respecting this trend line here. If dominance continues to go down, I expect the price of Bitcoin to go down as well. If we do find support here and dominance pushes back up and you happen to be at support in one of these areas, specifically let's say 13,800, we happen to be at this point and you see dominance actually hold support here and start pushing back up, that would be an ideal point to probably put in a long. And again, this is the Bitcoin bubble chart. I actually made a video about this. I'm going to cover this in another video. I want to show you this. So this is our previous bear market in our bull run, and this is where we topped out 20,000. When I created this chart, all these fib circles are created the same way based on our previous bear market and our current bear market. But I would like to point out this 3.618 right here. So if you notice this ring right here, when we hit this ring back in the 26th of November 2014, notice when we crossed this ring we came down. I'm not saying this has to play out, but it's something to pay attention to. This is the same ring right here, so 3.618. If we go to the 3 hour and kind of zoom in, I just want to show you how price is respecting this ring, which is kind of interesting. I mean, you can see we pushed up as soon as we hit this ring, we got kind of rejected. Support and resistance now are breaking down below this ring. So if we push back up, it looks like this ring will actually become resistance. So this is a chart to pay attention to. I will make a video about this chart soon. I just do want to cover that. And by the way, guys, you want to access these charts, the website is opticalcrypto.com. All these charts play out live. Just click the link, they load up. The link for the website will be in the description. And make sure you follow me on Twitter. It's Optical Art Chart. Guys, that's it. Until the next video.